Wendy and the Magical Whistle. Wendy, a curious little girl with bright blue eyes, explores the edge of the whispering woods. She finds a hidden trail and stumbles upon a peculiar silver whistle lying in the moss. It is engraved with tiny stars and feels warm in her hands. When she blows it gently, the sweet melody seems to make the trees sway in rhythm. As the melody fades, a squirrel in a tiny vest appears, introducing himself as Chester, keeper of the forest's harmony. He explains that the whistle is the whistle of wonders, meant for someone with a pure heart. Wendy listens in amazement and agrees to follow Chester deeper into the woods. Wendy discovers a clearing where the forest animals are in disarray. Birds are chirping over one another, bunnies are bumping into trees, and a grumpy fox is arguing with a badger. The scene is noisy and chaotic, leaving Wendy feeling both nervous and excited. Chester urges Wendy to use the whistle to restore order. Hesitant but trusting her instincts, Wendy plays a soft, cheerful melody. The animals begin to calm, their chatter softens to laughter, and a golden glow surrounds the clearing. The forest is peaceful once more. Chester praises Wendy for restoring balance, declaring her a true friend of the forest. As a reward, the Whispering Woods will always welcome and protect her. Wendy returns home with a heart full of joy, visiting her magical friends often and knowing she has unlocked the wonder of kindness and courage.